Alright folks, here I am back again. Here's something interesting I noticed. You look at the tree growing out here in my front yard. See the fruit tree growing? It's all one tree coming out of the ground. It's just one problem. Mother Nature's played a trick on us. As you'll notice, this was a Bartlett pear tree. See the pears on the tree? Well, that's very interesting because the rest of the tree is either wild cherry or plum. So apparently Mother Nature's played a trick on me because I have one root system and one tree coming out of the ground that splits, and half the tree is plums or wild cherry, and the other half of the tree is Bartlett pears. Never seen anything like this in my life. As you'll notice, the pear tree branch is one color, and the plums or the wild cherry bark is a completely different color. So I actually have two trees coming out of one. So anyway, thought I'd make a post about this, and if anybody has any ideas or have seen anything like this before, please let me know. Thanks.